All right, let's be real. How many times have you chased a lead only to find out they've already gone cold? Or worse, they have signed a deal with your competitor? Frustrating, right? Let's dive deeper. Businesses are losing 50% of their leads simply because they don't respond fast enough. Think about this: how many potential deals are slipping through your fingers because of slow follow ups? The worst part, your competitors are faster. Every lead you lose is a deal they win. This episode will show you how to fix your parasite sales system and start closing more deals with AI employees. Welcome to today's Sellwithai podcast, where we're talking about a critical sales issue that's costing businesses thousands of dollars every single month. That is slow lead response times. And more importantly, I'm going to show you exactly how to solve this problem using an AI employee that can respond to leads instantly 24/7 on autopilot. Imagine this: someone's interested in your product or service, they fill out a contact form, they give you a call, or maybe shoot you an email. They're excited, ready to learn more about your product or service. But then your sales team is busy in calling dead leads, or you may be busy. Life happens, and that hot lead gets buried under a mountain of other tasks. Now, here's the harsh reality: when someone expresses interest in your business, they're not just contacting you, they're likely checking out your competition too. And guess what? Studies show that if you're not responding to your leads within 5 minutes, you're already lost your lead. And here is the data. You may not like it, but this is the reality. So 78% of customers buy from the first company to respond. If the lead gets responded in under 2 minutes, it increases your chances of booking an appointment by 10 times. But the average response time for most businesses is worst: several hours, sometimes even the next day. Now, think about what this means for your business. Slow response times don't just hurt your chances of converting leads, they damage your reputation. A lead that goes cold because they didn't hear from you might never trust your business again. Think about it. If your team takes hours, or even worse, days to get back to your leads, you've basically handed the lead over to your rivals on a silver platter. They've moved on, found someone else, and you're left kicking yourself. This isn't just about losing leads, it's about lost revenue, lost opportunities, and a serious dent in your brand's reputation. And it's not just about speed, it's about opportunity. After hours leads, gone. Weekend inquiries, ignored. And let's not forget about the cost of generating those leads in the first place. Every unresponsive lead is wasted ad spend and wasted revenue. Now, why does this happen? The truth is, most businesses' sales teams aren't set up to respond quickly. Here's what I've seen over and over again: sales reps are overwhelmed. Your sales team is juggling so many tasks, chasing leads, scheduling calls, managing follow ups. It's impossible for them to respond instantly. Leads come in after hours. A lead submits a form at 9 p.m., but your team doesn't see it until the next morning. By then, they've already booked with someone else. Inconsistent follow up processes. Without a clear system in place, some leads slip through the cracks entirely. You might respond to one but forget about another. Manual processes take too long. Let's be honest, manually calling, emailing, and qualifying leads takes time. And when you're doing all this manually, your response times are bound to lag. These are the gaps that competitors with faster systems are exploiting. So, how do you fix this? This is where an AI employee comes in. Imagine having a team member that works 24/7, never gets tired, and responds to leads within 2 minutes every single time. Now, I know what you're thinking: AI? Is this some futuristic sci fi stuff? Well, not really. It's actually pretty cool. Basically, you get an AI employee that responds to every single lead instantly. We're talking 24/7, 365 days a year. No more waiting, no more delays. Let me walk you through how this works. Instant lead response. The moment a lead submits a form, sends a message, or calls, the AI employee takes over. Whether it's a voice call, text message, or email, the AI engages the lead immediately, even if it's 3 a.m. For example, a lead submits an inquiry for a service. Within 2 minutes, the AI employee calls them, introduces itself, and starts the qualification process. No delay, no waiting. Multi-channel communication. Your leads don't all communicate the same way. Some prefer calls, others like texting, and some might even want to chat online. The AI can handle them all. The AI employee doesn't just stick to one channel. It can call leads to start a real-time conversation. It can send personalized text messages or emails for a quick touch point, or it can continue the conversation through chatbots for additional questions. Qualification built in. During the first interaction, the AI employee asks a few key questions to qualify the lead. For example, what's your budget? When are you looking to get started? Are you the decision maker? Based on the responses, the AI can assign a score to the lead, prioritize high value opportunities, and even schedule a meeting directly into your team's calendar. 24/7 coverage. The AI doesn't sleep. Leads that come in after hours are no longer a problem. The AI employee ensures that every lead gets an instant response, whether it's during business hours, weekends, or holidays. Appointment scheduling. If the lead is qualified, the AI employee offers available time slots, books the meeting, and sends confirmation messages. This means your team wakes up to a fully booked calendar of qualified prospects. Now, let's talk numbers. Businesses that respond to leads within 5 minutes are 21 times more likely to convert them into customers compared to those who wait 30 minutes or more. And here's the kicker: companies using AI for instant responses see a 40% increase in their lead to appointment conversion rates. This isn't just about saving time, it's about saving deals. Now, let's be honest, if you're still relying on manual responses, you're taking a big risk. Leads get cold before you even have a chance to connect. Your competitors swoop in and steal them away. Your sales team spends valuable time chasing down leads that might not even be qualified. You're leaving money on the table. The bottom line: speed is crucial. With an AI employee, you're not just improving your response times, you're building a sales machine that's efficient, scalable, and built to win. So, if you're tired of losing leads to competitors, it's time to make a change. An AI employee can transform your sales process, ensuring no lead goes cold and every opportunity is captured. If you want to implement AI employees in your sales team, there is a link below. Book a call today to see how we can set this up for you. Don't let another lead slip through the cracks. Take action now. Thanks for listening, and until next time, happy selling.